Blackbirds and Stolen Trucks, a Bobby John Press poetic libretto, Marvinlouis. Hello, goodbye. Let us try to let go of what is thought about who I am, because no one can see the million broken pieces of this thing called me. Was daydreaming of someplace else the nerve of a simple human being. The ringing in my ears has continued to cause havoc in my silence. I'm trying to get still. No one came not to feel uphill battles, often draw out more than just blood, tears. How many years before you stopped caring? Such a daring thought to see so alone. Why is it that grown men can't cry? How can one be forced to live so strong? All along, I've been my own man. Now here he stands, catching his breath. Gray hairs, rites of passages, a black man trying to grow old. How could it become bold for a man, a person to live life? Whose weather vane doesn't blow around in circles? Who's lucky enough to look back at a path well worn? Another chance to do it all over again? Who would be so fucking crazy? Please don't let it be me. Blackbirds gathered in flight in mid-storm. What's the normal thing to do today when there's no limits, when anything is possible? The sky was meant to never look the same twice. I blame me for my lack of vision. Big rig tires no longer on fire, white smoke dissipates. The ground waits for red flakes, wings carry ashes. Turkey vultures eat anything, like wedding ring fingers from dead big rig driver. Wicked was the last smile on his distorted face. Bad time, unavoidable place, too much technology, too easy, hard not to, so quickly taking pictures, as if the mental image didn't hurt enough. A stolen truck, a looky-loo. I'm still in shock, confused. How hard is it? I know how loud a man can scream while completely engulfed in flames. Reflection in window, mirror, blue sky, mountain, horizon. Don't be afraid. Turn away from the look in your own eyes. It's the things closest to you that go unnoticed. Honing this thing called living, giving more, giving more than myself. What could leave no thing? I'm giving you all that I am. Floating above my head, someone's dying heaven. When I was 11, remember a grave site late one night, a friend bleeding. I'm still grieving his young death. Someone is writing a song. Hold on, maybe it's me. Lost in rhythm, lost in melody. Come sing with me, said the voice, blowing across high desert Sunday morning sky. I find me here, still looking.